Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is all about Surah Quraish, a Makki surah. Ayahs are only 4. Inshallah, we'll start learning this with the proper tajweed, inshallah. Let's read with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Li'ilafi. This is Ya Madda, and after the letter after the lam is Hamza. So make sure you're making a Hamza sound. لإيلاف قريش. Ra will be heavy. قريش. لإيلاف قريش. إيلافهم رحلة. Yes, high is sharp here. رحلة الشتاء. She, it says there. شتاء والصيف. Sword is heavy. فليعبدوا رب. Press the ba. هذا yes. بيت الذي good. أطعمهم. Make sure the ta is bouncing back here because it's a qalqala letter. أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم. Good job. Min. Yes, after noon sakin there's a letter kha from the halqiya letter, so we'll say min. So on the upper side we said min because jim is not a halqiya letter. It's from the ikhfa letter. So this is min and this is min. So وَآمَنَهُم مِّن خوف. This is Surah Quraish. Practice the surah. Ayahs are only 4 in the surah. Practice word by word. See you in the next video, inshallah.